Hello kids, let's join our friend Chanakya as he embarks on an exciting adventure of building roads using colorful Domino's blocks. Watch as he constructs a two-lane road perfect for all types of vehicles, from speedy cars to heavy-duty trucks and even police cars. As the vehicles start rolling, let's learn about the concept of roads. One line for going and other for coming, ensuring smooth and safe traffic flow. Our friend's creativity knows no bounds as he demonstrates the importance of planning and organization in road construction. Through this fun and educational activity, kids can develop their problem solving skills while having a blast with their favorite toys. So get ready to hit the road with us and explore the fascinating world of construction and transportation. Join us on this imaginative journey as we learn, play, and create together. Thank you.